It is incredible that we're doing what we're doing in terms of launching the variation of the Himalayan, which is an improved version of the first Himalayan. The Himalayan, in my books, is the first adventure motorcycle in India, and the Himalayan is enjoyed by the whole world. And I clearly remember when I was in Leh and I was testing the Himalayan, the first impression was it impressed me because in a manner I've ridden the Red Himalaya and I knew what that terrain basically entails in terms of what the motorcycle would require to do. And I was surprised that a Himalayan was actually responding and behaving in a predictable manner that inspired confidence in me. And I couldn't stop riding it even though I had pretty much tested all of the elements that I needed to. But I just want to keep on doing it because it was that kind of motorcycle that was making everything so much more fun. So very enjoyable over all terrains and very, very responsive. After that first segment where I tested the first adventure motorcycle for us from India and the Himalayan, and now to be actually going back to the Dakar again with what happened to me I think 2 years ago, it holds a lot of relevance in my life and it's very sentimental in that manner for me because this is pretty much a reawakening of sort to go back to that life of adventure.